Well, now, there are 8 sizes of these spiral style rolled hemming attachments for my sewing machine. You can buy the full set of 8, or you can buy a set of 4 that are separated by size for the thinner or thicker fabrics. Now, the smallest spiral will produce a rolled hem that is about 3 millimeters or an eighth of an inch wide, while the largest will roll a hem that is about 10 millimeters or a centimeter or 3/8 of an inch wide. Now, the most important thing, though, is for you to be able to use these attachments on your machine, you need to have a screw at the front of your needle plate. And the rolled hem attachment has a slot on the side and it'll slide right underneath that screw. So right off the bat, your machine must have a screw on the needle plate like mine has here. And I've also found that the hemmer works best with a foot that has a shorter right side. So like these that I'm showing you will work with this attachment the best. That shorter right side. So the smaller pieces are for the thinner fabric, and the larger hemmers work for the twills and the denims and the canvas. And I'm just going to slide in the 3 millimeter size and show you on this semi-sheer textured voile. I'm using the 3 millimeter. So I could use the 4 millimeter as well for the rolled edges of the scarves for my hats. And I did take some practice to get to this point, but I get the best results by using my left hand and my index finger to guide the fabric through the front of the tube spiral. So there's enough fabric with that folded hem enclosing the raw edge of the voile. And the sheer fabric is really helping me to show you how I'm using my hand and my finger to do that. And that's the part that needs some practice, folks. So once you get that mastered, it's a breeze. It took me about an hour of practicing with various sizes to get the hang of it. But now I feel like I have this figured out. And I'm pleased with how nice the scarf hem turned out for me. So now I'm moving up to the quilting weight fabric. The 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and 6 millimeter hemmers work great. And in case you didn't know, a 6 millimeter is a 1/4 inch wide. And the sizes of these hemmers are in 1 millimeter increments too, by the way. Now on this fabric, the hemmers could be used to make tablecloths, napkins, runners, or maybe to finish a pillowcase opening. There's no need to measure a fold at your edge or to press an edge because once you get the feel for this, the results are fast and easy and you can save a lot of time by eliminating the pressing step. So just keep in mind that you're going to use the smallest hemmers for the thinner fabric and the larger hemmers for the thicker fabric. I can really see the larger hemmers being great for straps for my canvas bags. You could use to make belt loops or even belts as well. And I used the 9 millimeter attachment to work on this rolled hem on this 8-ounce twill. So all in all, I'm pleased with these attachments. There is a learning curve, but once you've mastered it, professional results saves time.